Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. What did we do to the Goldwing?
We want to put a different tire on.
Well, we're gonna fix the brakes and the fork seals, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Do you know what this part's called?
Yep.
What is it?
You can tell me.
It's a bushing.
Yep.
This is a backing ring, and this is a slide bushing. And you see how this one's one piece?
Yeah.
It's got a split in it? Well, this one broke, and it's two different pieces. So that's not good. And you see how this one's all gold and it looks wore out? Yeah. We got to replace that, and since we're replacing it, we might as well replace this one too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then there's a seal and a dust boot. We're gonna replace those too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And brake pads.
And we cleaned up like yucky tap.
Yeah, we cleaned up the yucky stuff with floor dry, and we left it there because it's still dripping a little bit, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So even though the little Honda's dead, I thought, oh, I'll just fix this one quick and we can ride this one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't work that way, did it?
Nope.
Nope.
That's why we're fixing it.
That's why we're fixing it, yep.
Mm-hmm.
So we can tell people a quick shop tip too.
Mm-hmm.
The shop tip is, if you're working on brakes, don't leave the calipers hanging by the hoses. I am guilty of doing that. There's even videos of me doing that, but it's hard on the hoses. If you have very old hoses, it could crack them. Yeah.
Yep.
So what you want to do is take some safety wire or a bungee cord, and I got these wrapped around some light mounts so that they're not hanging. That's better for the calipers, huh, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. You want to say bye now?